So I forgot my headband. I was on in the rush. I'm like half asleep still, guys. So the games are kind of slow. Dispensa. Let me I think I warmed up already to put this on. I thought it was a cricket. The Pisces season. Biohazard. I think this is the map right here, no? Biohazard. Sorry guys if the recording sucks. We got elements to deal with. Ice, snow, water. But we're out here to have a good time. Make sure you guys liking this lit vlog to subscribe. We're all the way to fucking Chicago to play some paintball. What do they gotta do? Subscribe?
Subscribe. You gotta
like, comment, subscribe. We came all the way to Chicago to play some paintball with beginners.
Guys, bring your wallet.
Bring your wallet.
Bring some boots if you guys gonna play outdoor. I shit pretty bad.
Yep, so stay woke out there. Alright, this is a pretty big field, way. I'm gonna push up, way. I'm gonna push up.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm gonna push up. I wanna get shot, way.
You ever got shot?
No way.
I
don't know. Oh, they're over here. Alright, I'm fucking lost in the map. I don't know the map, but I'm gonna push up. Take it easy on these guys. Oh shit.
You wanna shoot?
You have your arrow?
No.
Oh, because you're not getting any paint.
Yeah, no. Remember the buttons don't work?
There you go. Alright, shoot. There you go. Yeah. Se te acabó la paint, vato.
I wanna leave already, but I didn't like it.
No. Oh no. Froze. Get that box, get that box, get that box. Oh, you wait my foot. Oh, I almost broke my ankle. Where they at? Where they at? Oh, stay there. Watch your right and just tell me. Hey, there's one right behind that van, Eddie. I got one. There's one in the house, all the way back in the house. No, that's enough. Oh, I got him? Move up, hey, move up. I might get shot, but fuck it. Cállale para acá, güey. I need one. Eddie, come over here, Eddie. Come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Run, run, run. All the way to the box. All the way to the box. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. All right, keep them there. Shoot one shot, one shot. I'm gonna keep on running. I'm gonna run behind you. Shoot, 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 shoot.
They're still behind the van?
No, 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 no. Ah. I don't see the bush.
Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Yeah, where?
Right there.
The van's not coming out. Stay low, stay low. He's gonna get you one shot way. Oh, he's shooting in the bottom. What bush? I don't see him. I don't see him. The girl got shot. Go, 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 go. He's shooting, he's shooting. Stay low. He's shooting. Nomás queda ese güey, creo. Oh, ahora sí, sí, rush him. Ya se le acabó la gas. Ya se le acabó el aire. Ya se le acabó el aire. Go, go, go. Chingatelo, chingatelo. Dale un shot nomás, un shot. I shot him in the head. Wait, wait, wait. I shot him in the head.
No, no, no.
Yeah, I got him, I got him, I got him.
I got him, I got him, I got him.
Shh, he's wiping it, he's wiping it. Don't shoot him, don't shoot him. He's out, he's out, he's out, he's out, he's out. He's out, Eddie. Shh, cállate. Ahí está, güey. You're out. Cállate, güey, there's somebody already. Ahí, güey, ahí. Ahí está. Keep him there, keep him there. Keep him there.
Get out. I got him. We got him.
Good stuff, güey, good stuff. Una está hasta mero atrás, güey. She's all the way in the back. She's all the way in the back, bro, in the blue. Yeah, the guy in blue is with us. Hey, stay there. The fucking snow, it's just sick. Wow, it's so icy too. Look at this. Playing in the snow, bro. Come on, guys. Like the fucking video. Oh, and everybody that we met out today, shout out to you guys. Thanks for the support. We're all the way out here from Cali. Trying to get some games in. Just for fun. Do this. Hopefully it's recording then. I feel like the camera dies quickly. There we go. Let's get a good game going on, guys. We're out here in Chicago from Cali. Out here in the snow. It snowed last night, so we're out here playing paintball. Just for fun. And thanks to everybody that I met out here in Chicago. Thanks for the support. It's always good playing with new players. So if you guys are watching, shout out to you guys. So yeah, let's get this game going. Hopefully I got a few clips. They're probably not the best because we actually need a camera person, because I'm pressing the record button and it's not even turning on because I can't see. I have it on my mask up here, so I can't really tell. But we're trying to get as many good clips on there. If not, sorry if it comes out choppy. But we're out here trying to have some fun.
Are we ready?
All right, folks,
Oh, Lord.
Finally, about time. You good right there? There's one in the box right here. There's one in that box.
What's up?
There's one in the box in front of you. In here, look in here. He's in there, he's in there. Watch in front of you, watch in front of you.
Got him.
He's there, he's there. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Keep him there, keep him there. Keep him there. Keep him there, keep him there. Watch your back, watch your back.
Behind us.
Where is he, where is he?
I don't know, somewhere back there.
Somewhere back there. Oh, he's in the box right here, right in front of you. He's in that box. My fault. Let me see if I can get him here. Is he still there?
if you've been hit, take you on that way.
Hey, bro. Backside, backside. No, you're good though. Keep on going. You're good. You're good. Oh, good stuff. Look at all the snow. I think that's it. That's it for today's video. So if you guys made it this far, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. We'll post the best clips. Can't guarantee you it went well because batteries are like freezing and dying quick. I don't know. Stay tuned for more vlogs. We're out. We're gonna continue the vlog downtown Chicago. Go back home, shower up, get dinner. I think that's it. I'm done. It's a lot of waiting around. Just want to play. So we'll see what happens right now. I'm pretty much done.